Hi everyone, my name is Haley Ryan and I manage the onboarding team here at Top Hat. Today, we'll be going through how you can contact Top Hat support team. Top Hat support is available for all questions from instructors or students, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, we'll cover some key tips to ensure we are able to resolve your request as quickly as possible. You can submit a support ticket in 3 ways. First, through the in-app live chat. Next, by dialing our direct phone line, or you can email support@tophat.com. When you reach out, please make sure to have your institutional email handy. You can confirm this in your account settings. You'll also need your 6-digit join code, which can be found in the top left corner of your course or in the course URL. Where possible, include screenshots and the timestamp and date. The more information you provide upfront, the faster we can help you. For more information on our support services or step-by-step instructional guides on Top Hat features, visit our knowledge base.